What's going on, guys? Ancient Gravity here, and welcome back for another video. So today this just arrived and I'm really excited because I've been wanting an action figure with this character for so long. There weren't any of them in the past, but recently I guess it started capturing the attention of most of the action figures slash statues creators, and there are a lot of them coming in the near future. I guess they just realized which is the best transformation in Dragon Ball, right? I'm just joking, guys. Each and one of us have their own preferences when it comes to these transformations. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump and see what's inside here. So I went ahead and cut the stickers around the main package, and there you have it. Wow, this is covered in a lot of bubble wraps. So there you go, guys. Let's take the bubble wraps off the box and talk about the box itself. That's right, guys. The character that we were talking about is the SSJ4 Gogeta. Right here on the box we can see the Kranekin logo, the Dragon Ball GT logo, and bam presto, down here the Son Goku FES, which is the name of the collection, and the action figure itself. On the side here we can see multiple action figures from the Son Goku FES collection. In the back of the box we can see the action figure that was released with Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta, which is Kid Goku from Dragon Ball GT. On the other side of the box we can see Gogeta again. On the top we can see the name of the collection, and at the bottom of the box we can see the 15 plus age mentioned, along with the warning regarding the small pieces that can be swallowed by 3 years children or below. Let's start cutting the adhesive tape on the sides of the box, the one in the middle, and let's open the box. I found it really strange while opening it, because I don't know how everything was closed, because it was really hard to open the box without ripping a bit of the top of it. Anyways, we ended up opening the box without doing too much damage. At the top of the cardboard here we can see an A logo and the contents inside. So without further ado, let's take our guy out. Okay, let's close the box and put it on a side, because we no longer need it. Right here. Alright, we still have a remaining adhesive tape to get rid of before taking the action figure out. There you go. Here is the package with the action figure pieces. There are two packages, okay, which one has detail, the legs and the upper body, and the other one has the base, the supporting action figure piece, and the floating part of Gogeta's sash. Let's put the cardboard aside and start taking out each piece one by one, present them to the camera as we used to, and let's start with the base. Alright, so we have the base over here with the Bam Presto 2018 made in China text, and the spots the action figure goes in to stay on the base. Let's take the supporting piece out. There you have it. And the floating part of the sash. There you go. Woo! Now let's jump to our main package and start with the tail. Dun, dun, dun. There's the tail, which is really nice, sculpted. The legs of the action figure. Right here you can see the spots where the tail and the action figure supporting piece go in. And the main piece of our action figure, which is the upper body over here, it's covered in a lot of bubble wrap. Let me put the cutter aside and take the bubble wraps away from the upper body of the action figure. There you have it, guys. I still can't believe how well this sculpted is. It's really nice made. I really like how the hair is sculpted, how Gogeta stands with the crossed arms over there. It's simply amazing. This just became my one of my favorite action figures. Now let's jump on to the assembling part. And there you have it. Man, this looks amazing. This looks simply amazing. I can't believe it. It's really nice, really. Let's not forget about the tail. We almost forgot about the tail of the action figure, which goes in here. And of course we still have one missing piece, which is the floating part of Gogeta's sash. Let's put this in here as well. And there you go, guys. There you have it. Simply amazing. It's really nice. Alright, let's take this guy for a spin and talk a bit about the action figure. This is the Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta from the FES collection. It stands for 20 centimeters, which translates into 7.8 inches. And guys, I'm really glad that I got my hands on this action figure. Like I said at the beginning of the video, in the past there weren't any high quality action figures with this form of Gogeta, but right now we have this guy and more of them coming in the future. The details on it from head to toes are very well done. Of course we are doing this as well. Let's put Gogeta Super Saiyan 4 and Goku Super Saiyan 4 side by side and take a look at how well they look next to each other. Indeed, Goku is just half of the fusion and we are still missing the Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta, but this also doesn't have many high quality action figures out. The existing ones are too tall to go with Gogeta and Goku, but there is something coming in the future as well, and we'll have like a little Super Saiyan 4 corner on our shelves. You can see right here what I'm talking about. This will be released next year and I can't wait to have him too, guys. Looking at our action figures here, you can see how they both are really nice made. I mean, everything on them looks really amazing. Details, I've actually taken a look at the tails and they're like the same size. The sculpt on the head, it's amazing. Their hair looks amazing. Guys, if you like this video, throw in a like. Leave your feedback down in the comment section below and subscribe if you are new to the channel and like the content. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, Ancient Gravity signing out.